Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A5 from 2020, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper on the device. So to get started, find an area where you have no icons. So for instance, this area like right here, hold your finger over it and disregard this. And once you do, just try it again. You'll get the button right here, the second one, which is wallpapers. Tap on it and it opens up all the preloaded wallpapers that come with the device. So you can simply tap on them to change them right on the get-go, as you can see. And once you find a wallpaper that you like, all you really need to do is then leave it. So tap on the screen, for instance, and you can see that the wallpaper stays. Now, if you want to change your wallpaper to something like that you have downloaded, as an example, then you can go into your photos. Okay, whatever. Let's go into albums, and as you can see, I have a downloaded image. And now this might not be the best case, but it still works as an example. So you can have an image, and now this works the same way with photos as well. So I'm just going into the download section because that's where I have it, although I could have gone to, for instance, like the camera as well. So once you have the photo open or image, whatever it is that you're choosing, tap on more right here, and you'll find a button set as wallpaper, and it will open up the way where you can actually change the wallpaper position. So you can zoom it in, out, place it in out the right to the left, however you like. And once you're satisfied with how it's set, tap set as, and it gives you a couple options. So you have option to set it as your home screen, lock screen, or both. So choose whichever one you like. You can, for instance, tap on both, and now it's going to be on the home screen, as you can see right here, and also right here on the lock screen. So that is how you would change the wallpaper. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.